What's up, guys? LegendaryBroz Sully here. Today we are playing. Teardown, and as you can see, we are gonna play map. So yeah, let's hop into this. That's fun. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment, description down below. Shop any of your merch. So buying to us as fun. So what map should we do? The Station Town Ultimate. Let's do this one. So I waited for some mods to download. And yeah, some mods are here. All right. So yeah, let's but just have some fun. Make sure you guys subscribe, cooling description down, wish your binge merch. Love right, this has fun. E2. Wait, is this a map or is it more like a playthrough map? If it's one of those, then I gotta change. Because I had playthrough, just Welcome to Station Town. Hey, it's snowing. What? Station Town settings, press X to open the menu. Music off. I was getting the better. Like you were trying to get to the map. Right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what happened to that. Wait, where do I go? Is there directions here? Station. Oh, I guess it just loads another map on this one. I guess it's loading the other map. Alright. Is this the station thingy? I'm pretty sure it's all dynamic. I don't think it's dynamic. Kirby bomb! But which station is this? Is this NASA or something? But Christmas was a long time ago. I don't like it. Oh my god, these pianos are destructive. It looks like they made every room with precision. Yeah, actually they did. They just made that, bro? Oh, now it's very bad. The stage go down. This is right. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of particles. Go to the breeze be gone. This debris be gone thing is so good because it reduces my lag so much. This my PC isn't that powerful. Alright, let's get. Let's head back to the atomic rifle and just finish to destroy this place. Oh wait, did I just summon a meteor? I think I did. And I died today. Oh my gosh, that meteor went straight through the building. Crushed. Dude. Look at all the debris. My FPS is dropping, bro. And so is that building. Bro, it just keeps crushing down. It just keeps crushing. I keep falling. Bro, no way it's crushing so bad that it's literally gonna exterminate everything. It is. Yo, that's insane. Even the tower. Bro, even the tower. Bro, that was insane. Alright, time for the debris to be gone. Oh my gosh, this thing's just removing debris after debris, bro. Gotta get all that debris up there too. This thing just removes all the small pieces. Bro, everything got destroyed except for this thing. It's still alive. Bro, this used to be a building taller than this one, and now it's destroyed. Oh, that's wrong. Alright, let's grab the atomic rifle again and destroy this. I want this building to be completely leveled. Oh my god, the debris is insane. Wait, do I have slow motion? No, I don't. Debris be gone. Come on, reduce lag, reduce lag. But there was this building and it just kept crumbling and crumbling until it got completely. Alright, I think it's time to send the final blow. One Punch Man. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Dude, the debris is insane. I wonder why I was still alive after all the debris was gone. Bro, it went all the way over there now. stand by over there too. Well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link in the description down below to shop our band, shop your merch. Hope you guys like this video. Love you guys. Stay sweet. Bye. Okay. I wonder if I can make this whole thing go down though. Do I have something that could do that? Just make everything collapse. Thanks, John. Well, bye. And like, subscribe, please. Legendary Squad play.